How to make a video call on Instagram on laptop. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, all you have to do is open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for instagram.com, and once you search for it, simply log in or sign up to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your Instagram account, go ahead and tap on the messages section and select the person who you would like to video call. Now once you're inside the chat section, you'll see a video icon right over here. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so, you will then be able to land in this kind of interface. From here, you can go ahead and tap on use camera and microphone or use microphone only. Once you do that, simply tap on start call, and just like so, simply tap on allow while visiting the site. And just like that, you will then be able to make a video call on Instagram on laptop. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.